Hey guys, so I was down at McDonald's uploading some videos. Up in this part of PA, there's zero cell reception. It's kind of ridiculous, so the local McDonald's had to hit it up again. So yesterday, Ed went ahead and cleared out a lot of these trails that I was talking about. We call it Main Street. And while I was at McDonald's, so I didn't get to get it on footage, but apparently those guys are up top putting in a little pond and a new food plot. So I'm gonna take you guys on the trails that Ed fixed up, kind of show you guys how we fix trails with water bars and redirect water. And then we're gonna go find out what those guys are doing, see if we can help them. Alright guys, so these little things here, these little hills, whatever you want to call them, personally we call them thank you ma'ams. We did a job up north in a town called Honesdale, and the truck driver told us we call them thank you ma'ams up here, so that's what we started calling them. It's kind of funny, and I'm pretty sure Ed put in 4 of them, and basically the water can't go past the water bar and it just kind of redirects it to one way. So let's keep on going. There's a little visual of that water. It comes down and it hits the hill, and then before it goes over the hill, it washes that way. So here we are, guys. They got a lot done already while we're gone. All the vegetation's cleared off. There's the beginning of a little pond or a water hole for the deer to drink. This part of the property is always wet, and a lot of springs in here. So the best thing to do with the spring is dig a hole, give the deer somewhere to drink. And these guys got a tree stand up there. What's up, Mike? We're gonna start planting this special deer seed back here. Ed and I aren't really hunters, so we're gonna find out from Judd and Mike what kind of seeds in this stuff to make these deer come and eat it. All right, guys, this is what's in the seed. So Ed's trying to bring this berm around. Trying to gather topsoil from that side over there. guys, here's an overhead view of the food plot that just got put in. It's kind of hard to see the pond in the distance. Guess Ed's done getting off the Kabota.
Man, that billy goat likes to eat.
That's right.
That thing is digging full. I'm telling you, that is a nice machine. That thing's got power and it is comfortable. Throw a hole in the ground right quick.
Well guys, that's it for this weekend. Thanks for sharing it with us. We really appreciate having you guys.
Please like and subscribe.